Hey Murphysville, I'm here to show you some features that you guys can use on your Weebly. So the first thing you guys want to make sure is that you're at students.weebly.com. This address is on your Edmodo page. I've linked it, so you just click that and you can go there, and then you just want to log in with the information that I've given you. So once you log in, obviously you can, if you've already kind of messed around with your site, you can go to Edit Site. Okay, there's two main features here, right, that you're going to be working with. And the first thing I'm going to address is obviously it wants me to ask for a domain name, which is just the name of your website, and that's just going to be what your website's going to be about. So if it's about Thomas Edison, that might be taken. It just needs to be something that applies to what your website is going to be about. You don't have to name it right now, so I'm just going to click that off. Okay, right here is called Build. This is where you can add all the features onto your web page, right? If you click here, this is Pages. This is where you can add and remove pages from your website. Okay, so I'm going to go to Build. I'm going to show you some features. So the first thing you may notice is that my header is gone. I'll explain how to do that here in a second. So if I want to add an image, I can just drag it over, right? And from here, there's a couple options when I click on it, right? I can put an image on from my computer. I can search the web. I can just type in what I'm searching for. There's favorites, all sorts of things. So the image I want on my computer, right? I've went and found one of Thomas Edison I liked. I right-clicked it, saved image as, right? And it saved in my pictures folder. So I'm gonna show you how to upload that. You just click upload. There's the picture, upload, and that's on here. From here, you can't edit it. If you click on it, I think it'll let me edit. I'm doing all this live, so I gotta be patient with me. Maybe, there you go. You can edit image, right? So I can crop it, filter it, add a text to it, all sorts of fun stuff. Just kind of like some social media things. Also, if you click it, you can align it, so I can make it go left, right, that, spacing. I can add a caption right here, right? And you could type in your caption. So there's no need to add a text box underneath it. You can literally put in like whatever you want. Thomas Edison holding a light bulb, right? I probably want to make sure I know what the picture is. I'm just kind of winging it right now because I'm unsure what that is. Oh, messed up. Light bulb. Thank you. Period. And there you go. There's the caption. Pretty neat. So other features, title, right? I obviously want to make sure that this page has a title, right? Thomas Edison's. Just how I'm going to make it. And from here, I can make it bigger. I can center it. I can bold it, underline it, however I want to go about, right? My site, right? You can either turn that off, however you want to go about it. You'd obviously want to name your pages. When you go to pages, this is where you can name it, right? I can just name it Thomas Edison right now. And that's there. And so this first page would be known as Thomas Edison. And I click back to build and I can start adding things. To add a big text box, so say if I want to put my introductory paragraph right here underneath it, I would just put that. And then I can start typing in here, right? Put your introductory paragraph here if you want. It's up to you. But I would suggest your first page would have your introductory paragraph, right? Maybe I want to put some more pictures in here before I get to my introductory paragraph. I can always edit that. A divider is a pretty cool thing. It kind of separates your page, right? If I put a divider in here, you can see how it separates. There comes like a line. Now there's a line in between my picture and my introductory paragraph. A couple other things that are pretty neat. You can always add a YouTube video. So if you go to YouTube, right, and you right click on a video, you can get the image, not the image, the video address, right? And then if you come back to here, if you want to put a YouTube video in it, say it's something I want to show about his early life or something about Thomas Edison, like I click this, and you can just type in, you would just copy and paste the video URL right here, or you can type it in, however you want to go about it. And then you can kind of mess with how it look like. If you ever want to delete something, when you click on it, or when you kind of hover, there's always an X. You can just delete it. No problem. To add a new page, just click Pages, right? And I think I go back, right? And plus, and say standard page is just what you want, right? So if I want to make Thomas Edison's inventions, right? Oh, misspelled inventions. Doing all this live, so I got to make sure I'm doing it. This is the header, this big image right here. If you don't like that, you can obviously change it. If you click on it, you can upload an image to take its place. You can also just get rid of it. Just say no header. Goodbye. And it's gone. And now the page is just kind of blank for you to add in your features. So those are just some things that you guys can do. What's great about Weebly is it saves your progress as you do it, so you don't have to worry about it saving when you're done. When you're all finished, you would just click publish, and that's when you would like name your web page, right? So publish, and you name it whatever you wanted to name it, and click continue, and then it would be done. Okay. Hope that helps you guys. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, things that you're having difficulty with, let me know. Remember, we talked about these pages being kind of your subtopics, right? I would still want to see a title on here, even though it kind of tells you what this page is about. Like, I'd still expect to see a title on here, okay? And then kind of like your body paragraphs that go on these pages. As always, please let me know if you have any difficulty. Do not procrastinate on that, and I'd be happy to explain some things. All right, guys, hope this helps you. Take care. Have a great week. Bye.